Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. I will explain to you about pros and cons of social media. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Putri Nur Haliza Rahman.
I am Fitri Dekasari.
I am Siti Hobipa.
Social media marketing is one of the most popular marketing platform today. Social media, a platform can help brands connect with audience to increase brand awareness, traffic to websites on marketplace to increase sales of their products. Social media is a medium to facilitate communication between a people, talking with others in any country, can also have relationship or friends very quickly. Branding is a creative effort to provide information to the public about your company. With branding, your business will be more memorable to the public, so it will be easier and will always be remembered. Even in the world of marketing, sales, business, social media provides much provided benefit for spreading advertisement usually as promotional material. Advertising context can also be found easily in today's era. In addition to spreading advertisement digitally, social media also makes it easier for users to transact. For example, using social media as an application to search to online shop. Presentation of social media in the words of Forbes that is no less important is as a means of relations, dissemination, and getting information in a company about sport in real time.
Apart from being useful in applying jobs, social media is also useful to be applied in the working world. For example, for learning the skill of creator as a YouTuber or content creator as a journalist or etc. In the world of education, social media benefits are to facilitate finding search of college students, also making it easier for to find journal of a book as a reference. Social media also facilitate the learning system online, like Zoom application that we use currently in the COVID pandemic. With the sophistication of technology, social media changed people's lifestyle to become more efficient, helping work in various fields, and the target of internet technology is make it easier for people using it every day. Especially in the field of technology, social media are also beneficial in the financial of sector that is very necessary today. The sophistication of technology in making various applications like e-money or e-banking. Social media can sharing many information and it have negative impacts for the layman users because information that are obtained isn't usually first that make negative perception, and if proven hoax it will be charged with the law of information and technology. And if social media uses an excessive time, it will happen cause negligent for the sake of time and also can making lazy to delay the deadline.
easy with why someone creating and share work on social media has a negative impact. For something, it is easy to fragrance the work or other people without the person work on the search. This is also subject to copyright. In the world of education, it is very easy to find such of material. Social media will also find it difficult to think critical and really on answer to question or assignment on the internet or social media. Social media makes a person antisocial in the case the use of social media tend to make someone reluctant to communicate in the real world or A2A seen in psychology in the fact people who are active in the world of social media are people who are quiet or inactive in real social circles. Easily, social media also give rise to hacker or hacker as people who abuse social media for criminal crimes, such as committing fraud by using fake accounts or breaking into banking sites to steal money, etc. Sexual harassment is a negative impact that is quite high from social media itself. The victims are mostly women. In addition to sexual cases, the negative impact of social media also question high level of bullying. A group of people with looked down on others for the power they have. In conclusion, social media has both good and bad effects on life in addition to making it easier for users to help solve problems. One of two things also have a negative impact if they are not used properly. We as intellectuals must be wise in using social media in the current era. Thank you.